What up, what up? Today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting polynomials. Now, our main focus is we're going to be given a couple sets of parentheses, and we're going to maybe distribute a negative, maybe not. We're going to combine like terms and then write things out in standard form. Now, what standard form is? You take the highest degree, work your way down. But first things first, let's simplify. If I have either a nothing or a plus sign in front of the parentheses, we don't need the parentheses. This has nothing in front of it, so I'm just going to get rid of those parentheses. 5p squared minus 3. This has just a plus sign in front of that parentheses, so I don't need them. Plus p squared minus 3p cubed. Now I'm going to look at each guy and I'm going to combine like terms. So I see that 5p squared is a like term with 2p squared. So that gives me 7p squared minus 3 combines with nothing, minus 3p cubed combines with nothing. What I want to do now is I'm going to write this out in standard form, which means I start with my highest degree. So I have negative 3p cubed. Done. Positive 7p squared. Done. Minus 3. Done. Okay. Not so bad. This one's slightly different though. Let's follow the same rules. I have nothing in front of my parentheses, so I don't need them. 4n minus 3n cubed, but I have a negative in front of the parentheses. If you have just a negative in front of a parentheses, you distribute the negative, which means you flip the signs of everything inside the parentheses. So 3n cubed becomes minus 3n cubed. Positive 4n becomes minus 4n. 4n combines with negative 4n to just disappear. How about that? Negative 3n cubed minus 3n cubed is negative 6n cubed. I don't have to worry too much about writing it out in standard form because it's just a monomial. It's just by itself. Dunzo. Easy, that one. How nice. But of course it always gets worse. Last one though, no worries. If you have nothing in front of a parentheses, you don't need them. 12a to the 5th minus 6a minus 10a cubed. If you have a negative living in front of a parentheses, distribute the negative. Minus 10a. Negative times a negative is positive 2a to the 5th. Negative times a negative is positive 14a to the 4th. And then let's see if I can combine anything. 12a to the 5th combines with 2a to the 5th to give you 14a to the 5th. Negative 6a, negative 10a combines to make negative 16a. Negative 10a to the 5th, or is that a to the 3rd? Negative 10a to the 3rd doesn't combine with anything, so that's negative 10a to the 3rd. It would be nice if I can read my own handwriting. You know, I think my handwriting looks a-okay. Plus 14a to the 4th. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this in standard form, also known as descending order. The largest degree is 14a to the 5th, so that's already in the right spot. Then I have 14a to the 4th, so positive 14a to the 4th. Then I have negative 10a to the 3rd. And last but not least, negative 16a. That is all. That's all she wrote. Adding and subtracting polynomials. That was fun. Bye.